into Bob Marley. Now, this was a very oddball. I know Sarkodie had been, correct me, Sarkodie has been teasing a lot about a huge record that he was going to hop on. And I think this was it. He tweeted something that was really like, oh my God, it's going to be exciting. I guess this is it, because he's having the legendary Bob Marley release a posthumous re-up or remake of a song. Now, this is usually this particular direction here, taking a very, very well beloved song from a legend after they've passed. It's going to be a huge sell. It's going to be a huge, like, it's going to take a lot. It has to be, like, it's already set up not to be received well, essentially, is what I'm saying. Your goal is going to compare it to the original, which obviously we've been saying. And there's also the aspect of posthumous releases, just leaving things as they are. So you're going to get that sentiment around it. So people that have already grown up with the song, fall in love with the song, now seem like adding a Sarkodie into it, that just seems a little too label strategic placement type of thing. It's the same feeling that I had with Notorious B.I.G. and Bella Alubo on the song. It's like, in what world would you see these two come together? And why would that happen? And that added Ty Dolla $ign to the same mix. Anyway, that was one of my worst songs out of last year. It was terrible. At least it tried to attempt an original song, which was crazy. But this one is at least maintaining a song, a moment that we've already grown to love. And I hope, and it's even harder, because I hope they do it justice. Now, in terms of production, I know it's not, it's MOG. It's MOG, which is Sarkodie's producer. Like, he works with Sarkodie often. He's a Ghanaian producer. And I hope he does this well, man. It's going to be a huge task for both of them, MOG and Sarkodie. But anyway, I'm curious to see how it is. Let's go. Let's hear it. MOG. That hurt. That drop hurt. That one hurt my stomach, bro. Let's see. Let's see how much we can go through. It's the kick. It's the kick. It's the kick. It's the kick. Oh, God. The very mismatch, and it just sounds. Live instrumentation would have been good for this. I don't know. It just the very electronic kick on this is just just feels iffy on such a. Anyway, I guess it's them trying to bring the song to 2020, to this century. Bro, but it's not landing well. I forgot the pause.
Yeah.
Oh God, bro, Sarkodie, don't enter like that. Don't enter like that. Bro. Oh my God, bro. Nah, they set my nigga up, bro. They set my nigga up. Bro, they're setting Sarkodie up, bro. They're setting Sarkodie up. This is paining me, bro. They should have just let this. Let this. God, I'm putting up the poll, man. This doesn't bring me too much joy. That Sarkodie sounding like this, bro.
Yeah. Show the body, mommy beeping the hammer. Tiana, my chat on the straight to Bahamas. I could the honeymoon about my yadi that we wanna just.
Fucking hell, bro. What did I expect anything different? Why did I expect anything different? Oh my gosh. Why did I expect anything different, bro? Oh. Oh. The worst possible way Sarkodie could have opened. This is the worst possible way Sarkodie could have opened up on a song like this. The worst way. And he can do better than this because he has done more than the abidi. That's not just him. That's not just him. Like, this is like the imagination of if you gave an AI generator to say, you have a Sarkodie song, we have a Bob Marley song, let's make it together. This is an AI generated kind of feel, bro. It just feels like this is the most like low-hanging fruit kind of Sarkodie approach that we have to this. And it feels disrespectful because he's a lot more creative than that. He's a lot more creative than that. Ah, bro, this hurts. This hurts how he opened up, man. This hurts. Ah, bro. I mean, let's get into it. Come on, no! Stop! No. Okay, let me have. No, I've had enough. No. Sack. Nah, big sack. No, why? See, listen, this was not the greatest of ideas. Just give this man a good feature, bro. With someone living and like honor him. Honor it. This man has such a huge legacy. Like, let's honor it. Oh God. This is not good. This is not a good look. This is not the look they think it is. This is not. Let's move. I'm sorry. I cannot stand that scheme. The idea behind this. No, I can't. It doesn't sit well. This doesn't sit well. This literally doesn't sit well. Ah, no, this is unfortunate, man. This is unfortunate because they're going like a stereotypical Sarkodie run. It's very stereotypical. Like, this hurts me, man. For someone that listened to Sarkodie for like such a long time, and for him to get this kind of placement, and then this what happens. Someone said there's a music video to it. What? No way there's a music video. We'll see what's up. Alright, this is Obede and the late Bob Marley in the video format. The video is beautiful. What do you mean the video is worse? The video does well for actually it does well for the song. It boasts well for the song a lot more than just audio. It does. At least there are distractions. The audio, that's why this is exactly why I only pay attention to audio when it comes to my reviews for the most part. I don't like coming across a song for the first time through a video because there's so much a video essentially hides a lot of things. Essentially. When you listen to audio alone without visuals, the visuals are beautiful. Exactly, blending the culture of Ghana and Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's nice. It looks great here. Like, you can't hit on it. But if you're hearing the kick, the AI generated kicks on that, like, you're obviously going to be distracted because they're showing you the visuals of actual Bob Marley performing the song. There's visual evidence of Bob Marley on the song, so it feels a lot more rich of his elements. Like Psyche, like I feel the video is doing a lot more a lot more good than bad for the song. Yeah, the video didn't. Yeah, that was. Sarkodie laughing on the song is just why? What was funny? Oh my god.
Shorty body mommy beeping the hammer Tiana my chat on the straight to Bahamas I could honeymoon about my yard that we wanna just.
Yeah, and then we're back. It starts with the runs. Yeah, these runs are not cutting it. These runs essentially why I can't stand it, man. We can't really do too much into it, bro. Ghana is beautiful. Visuals are gonna be stellar. Bro. Like, it's an easy sell. I think, yeah, it was a good idea to have a video for it. It'll distract you from the from the kicks and on a song like this. Like, why would he make that decision, bro?